Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to present the outcome of our community service with the title is Education of Healthy Cooking Materials for Catering of Housewife Group in Wanujoyo Lor Village. The location of the service was carried out in Wanujoyo Lor Sri Martani, Piungan, Bantul. The distance is for about 22 kilometers from the UMY campus and for about 44 minutes by car. And the partner is a catering of housewife groups in Wanujoyo Lor. The problems faced by the catering of housewife groups in Wanujoyo Lor is that the food processing is still very limited and quite long in time due to the limited tools on. The second is that they do not know the equipment materials for food processing that meets food health standards or what is called food grade material. This community service is divided into several stages of implementation. The first is coordinating with the village officials and the community leaders in Wanujoyo Lor. After a mutual agreement regarding the implementation of the community service program, socialization was carried out to the community around the Wanujoyo Lor village and also local residents who want to know about the service program. The solution we offered first by procuring food processing and serving equipment so that it can improve the process of cooking and serving food more attractively. The second is by conducting training and counseling on safe materials for food processing equipment and training on food processing process that comply with health standards. After conducting counseling and training on healthy cookware materials, the community has better understanding of the importance of choosing safe materials to use in cooking. As a result, the level of public awareness has increased significantly, leading to healthier and safer behavior in daily cooking activities. And finally, we would like to thank to LPM UMY so that this community service can be carried out.